Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Mitigating the effects of a transformer explosion consists in either limiting the explosion consequences by extinguishing the subsequent fire, firewalls or sprinklers, or preventing tank explosion by using mechanical technologies that absorb the high overpressures generated by the electrical arc, thus preventing the
Let's help you make your mark.
When a transformer blows, it interrupts electrical service to any residences or businesses connected to the transformer. Electric service crews must replace the destroyed hardware, first shutting down the incoming electrical line to prevent damage and injury.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mineral oil. 3 basic types of transformer oil used are mineral oil, mostly naphthenic, silicone, and bio-based. Mineral oil-based transformer oils dominate the consumption as it has good electrical and cooling properties, and provides cost-effective solution.
Take our lead.
Transformer fires and explosions can occur for a variety of reasons. The most common is a lightning strike, which can damage wires and/or equipment and cause too much electricity to flow into the transformer, leading to fire and/or explosion. 33.
Let's help you make your mark.
Mineral oils are still widely used in the industry. If a transformer leaks mineral oil, it can potentially start a fire. Fire codes often require that transformers inside buildings use a less flammable liquid, or the use of dry-type transformers with no liquid at all.
Take our lead.
To prevent this, the transformer encasement is filled with oil, so that both coils are effectively bathed in it. Oil is basically non-conductive, so it won't short-circuit the coils, while its very high boiling point allows it to absorb a great deal of heat, thus preventing the copper from melting.
Take our lead.
When they fail, it can result in a large explosion that has a potentially dangerous aftermath if handled improperly, which is why it is important to know what to do when a transformer blows. Make sure that you follow these safety precautions if a transformer blows near you.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The ignition of the transformer oil can come from any number of sources, including solid particles of insulation and conductor that are produced by incipient arcing fault, internal component failure, or short-circuit electrical arcing inside the tank, any of which can generate resulting heat and pressure sufficient to.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.